Do you have a business? Are you an entrepreneur? Or are you thinking of starting a business? In all of these cases, you will need ScandiCard. ScandiCard is essential to keep up with the new standards and at the same time give your prospects a wow factor, therefore generating more leads, conversations, and exposure. ScandiCard will also allow you to maintain and generate, convert, or keep a client who has always been there but has never paid attention to you before. It will also increase traffic, help the environment, boost engagement and response rates, provide quick answers to questions 24/7, save money on hiring support agents, save money on printing, streamline the buying experience, qualify your visitors, and increase contact information retention. At ScandiCard, we will give you a combination of digital profiles that are combined with chatbot communication tools and QR code technology. This card contains essential business and/or personal marketing and communication details that your customers can save to their phone with a click of a button. Think of it as a mini website, funnel, virtual profile, but supercharged. Did you know that in the near future, 85% of the customer interactions won't be with a human, and with all the environmental concerns, printed marketing will be reduced? It's all due to digital marketing, such as chatbots and touchless QR codes. They are rapidly becoming an essential tool for businesses like yours. Also keep in mind the websites and digital card visitors get a much better experience when they can get sales assistance and instant answers to their questions without having to wait for a reply. But what exactly is a digital business card, a chatbot, and an NFC technology, and why do you need one? Digital cards are a revolutionary contactless technology that lets your customers find a direct contact to you and learn about your services and/or products. Chatbots are A1 powered tools that run on your card and/or website and allow visitors to ask questions, even hold basic conversations, all on auto and without any involvement from you or your team. NFC near-field communication allows two devices placed within few centimeters of each other to exchange data. At ScandiCard, we provide a done-for-you service, so no coding skills required. Virtual cards and chatbots are already being put to work by so many businesses, and now it's time to start using them on yours. So what are you waiting for? Let us create your ScandiCard in 3 easy steps. Just send us your details and files. Let us create your card, and finally share your ScandiCard with the world.